did question on that Monday, last question. Sure.
Sir, I'm sending you now.
It is very long. We will see. Anish sends and I'm waiting.
Yes, sir, just a minute.
Show, show whatever you got. By the way, one more thing, I hope you all know this. We have a YouTube channel for this class now. All the recordings are there on that with the assignment, with the class notes as well, well maintained. And even the drive link you have, right? Class 8 batch drive link everyone has. You can go to this drive link. In that there is revision folder. In that class summary is there. All the class notes are there starting from 2nd April when this batch started. Up till 16th Monday. Of course, today right now we are having. So I will make notes of today's class as well. So this is my gift to you guys. It should help in revision. If you want to see the YouTube channel, I will tell you, I will show that as well. So it's a simple teacher. So you can say at the rate, you can, okay, you didn't know. I think only Bhavya knew. So Bhavya is the one who is helping me with it right now. Like she has just started helping me prior to her. No, she also didn't know. Don't worry. She also came to know about 3 weeks back, I think. Yeah, there are 22 subscribers. See, I have been doing this for a while. My only problem was that YouTube, one of the features of hiding faces of children was not working. So, like, I didn't want to like reveal your faces and all, or whoever takes online class for the privacy reasons. So once now that has got sorted, all the videos now have blurred children faces. Now no, names will be audible, but not your face will not be visible. So what you wanted your face to be visible. Why? There are many Myras in the world, so it's not that unique that people say Myra and no, your name is also not that big a problem. See, I have created playlists here, so you can go to class 8 physics straight line graphs. That's the so Bhavya, which was the last video uploaded? What are you talking about? No, this one, but which date is it? This is 2nd June.
Sir, but Arihant is my evidence.
Backlog, Bhavya. Backlog. What evidence do you have? Clear
Sir,
it.
Arihant, sir, he shall be my evidence for me sharing my
I'm
day
saying
in
clear your
like a
backlog,
whole
Bhavya.
month with him.
Pending work. You are behind.
Sir, should we just type?
Has already published.
It's taking a while to see if everything is blurred like you told me.
Okay.
I'm actually clicking it.
No, that's a good thing.
Sir, should we just type that class 8 2025 to 26 physics 20 graphs, average velocity and average speed?
I don't know. Probably it should work. Otherwise, go directly to the channel, na, simple teacher.
Oh, okay, sir.
I was going to tell you to save it in the video I didn't realize this.
Sir, that's a cool name. A
Thank
simple
you.
teacher.
That has a history.
So what's the history?
It's like this that uh, like what to say, like it's something bad about me. That's why I'm thinking how to present it. So mm, I think I've shared this incident with you guys last year. No, I showed some newspaper clippings and all. Did I?
Sir, I wasn't there.
No, sir.
No. So I will show that now that we are having a casual class. I will
Sir, are
show
you gonna post a recording of this session in YouTube?
mostly yes.
Sir, so like
Wait, let me show.
you showing people in YouTube, like are you gonna cut that part or keep it?
I don't know.
Sir, when you kick out somebody, like do you keep that part?
Of course, I keep that part.
Sir, but like sir, that guy, the
Just
guy.
shut up, Nihal. I don't want to keep this part of debating with you.
Because they won't. So the comments are there.
Acha, okay, I want to show this. I showed this.
I was in there.
Sir, where?
Sir, what is that?
Sir,
Should
you
we
didn't
read
show
that?
this.
Now, okay, so basically, this is something basically UP board examiner. Like I was in UP basically when as a student. So UP board examinations were a big deal back then. 22 lakh students used to write it in class 10 every year. And out of 22 lakh students, I was 19th in the state. So what reporters used to do was that they used to interview the top 25 ranks in the state, and next day our interviews were published in almost all the daily newspapers. So these are some clippings of some of the lies which I have told in that interview. So this is first clipping. If you can read Hindi, you will realize it's like 19वें स्थान पर रहे एजुकेशन सेंटर के विवेक दादू ने आखिरी दिनों में ट्यूशन किया. Did you see that?
What is that mean?
That basically the question was that you secured such a good rank. Did you take any tuitions basically for that, for preparing for the exams and all? So what have I told? I told that I did take tuition in last few days, but that was a lie. I took tuition for more than a year. Yeah. And imagine now the teacher who taught me, how would he have felt when he would have read this in newspaper? I didn't care at that time. And simply because I kind of disowned him because I didn't want anybody to share the credit of my achievement. I wanted to.
So you wouldn't be selfish.
It was selfish, of course, yes. Huh? No, I will tell you what that has to do with. Now read this. Read the headline. Okay, it says the headline says शिक्षक नहीं बनेंगे क्योंकि उनका सामाजिक स्तर नहीं. Basically, we don't want to be teachers. Almost all the kids, basically all the kids were asked that. Basically, what happened was that all of us were asked that what do you want to be in life? What are your career goals and all? So we gave various answers. Somebody said doctor, engineer, army, and all that. Like different people.
Sir, after clearing a math exam.
Different people, different. So there was one reporter who was observing all our responses, and then he collectively asked. All the interviews were running one on one, but then there was one guy who was like watching every interview and all, and then he called us together. And then he asked an innocent question that I heard so many career choices. Somebody wants to be a computer engineer, somebody doctor, somebody what not and all. But nobody wants to be a teacher. Why? Now people were like, we were kids. So, and here there was a reporter who was in front of us who was like asking this question. We were scared too. But there was one guy who was not scared in that crowd, trying to be a hero. That was me. That was me. Now, it's not So I said that I want to be a computer engineer. I said that okay, probably people are saying that they don't want to be teachers because teachers don't have any social status, social respect and all.
Wow.
So this
Empowering
is,
teachers are
you can
useless.
you can see this. Yeah, basically that's what I am.
They look like workshops.
By the way, are you able to recognize me? This is me.
Yeah.
Sir, what?
That's me.
You were the
Sir, who?
This guy. You will see it up close in another pic. This guy.
Oh,
so like a guy from a movie.
That's okay. Don't get scared. That looks scary also.
sir. Sir, I
Anyhow,
remember sir, I remember a devil's name, sir. When I get
yeah,
this,
it's okay. It's okay. So basically, yeah. So you saw my thoughts at that time. My own teacher, his credit. I
You
took.
became a teacher.
So first, if that was not bad enough, I kind of insulted the whole teacher community by calling that. So this was me. This was me. Okay. Then 2014-15, which is about 15-16 years after this incident, that I left my job and I decided to become a teacher. But now I knew that I wanted to be a teacher and I really liked doing that and all that. But I was very shy of telling that to everyone else. So now another story started. This LinkedIn only. If you look at my description in LinkedIn here, I think it should be able to tell that story as well. Look at it. Humble School was the institute name first time when I constituted it.
So
What is the title I have written? So that was I first stint with teaching October 2014 to April 2017. Look at what I have written in the description.
The so-called weak students were nurtured with great care to develop an interest in studies, while the so-called
See, it was like that. That is not the lie. Okay. Now it has changed. Now it's like very different from it was like that. But anywhere have I written that I teach? Their title is saying owner, and I am saying I run an institute. This is a public face which I am trying to show. Despite the fact that I loved being a teacher, there is that ingrained thing that I am shy of telling that to the world because I feel I will be judged badly. And in fact, nobody else is judging me. I am myself only judging me and feeling bad about it. But
This was him now. If it was Humble School back then.
now students fondly call it torture school. So, then look at it. I converted it into a company. I had an app. Madam Curious is the app name, and this company was $1 million funded company. So
1 million salary?
yes. So that's what I did. Company didn't work out. 2020, I quit the company. I had to and then I had to start my classes. Now what happened that when I started the class again, I restarted teaching again. This thing came that how to tell people and all. So
Run by me. Never self-teaching.
no, I say I teach. Yeah. This time I said, do hell with what public thinks, what people thinks. I will write the truth and look at my thing. I changed this. This was the biggest part. That in the So that's how, when it came to YouTube channel, I said that, okay, finally I have accepted the fact that all these fancy titles, owner and CEO and founder and all, I will not use. It has to be simply a teacher. That's how the YouTube channel name is, a simple teacher. So this is the transformation you are seeing from a 15, 16-year-old boy whose views you are very publicly available to the same boy 25, 26 years later, naming his YouTube channel as a simple teacher.
So if you ever become famous, you should tell this story.
It's a nice story, right?
Yes.
Sir, this story is making me sleep.
Good, Anish. So this is a day of honesty. So I appreciate that you said that. Okay, let's do that question at least. Okay, so that question, first of all, Parmanand, you have the question? Just tell me the
I sent
equation.
you the answer.
Y equals x cubed minus 12x squared plus 47x minus 16. Yes, sir.
Okay, now see, what have I taught you? First of all, I have taught you how find the y intersection point and turning points, and then you will be able to plot the graph. That's what I have taught. Now look at it. At x equal to 0, you get y as minus 60. 0 comma minus 60 is one of the points. Fair, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Hmm? Then what have I taught you? Find the turning points. So for turning points, you use that method. Slope formula you calculate, which turns out to be 3x square minus 24x plus 47, right?
Yes.
But this is where now it gets tricky. First of all, it's hard to factorize, but it's okay that I have taught you. You equate it to 0. Take 3 common. X square minus 8x plus 47 by 3 equal to 0. Take that 3 on the other side. 0 by 3 is 0. So now you are left with this, right? Now I have taught you that completing the square thing, value of b is 60. B is 4. So b square is 16. So here 47 by 3 minus 16. So this becomes x minus 4 whole square minus 1 by 3 equal to 0. So from this, it gets factorized to x minus 4 plus 1 by root 3 into x minus 4. Okay. So x equal to 4 minus 1 by root 3, or
4 plus 1.
now till here, no problem, everything works. Problem starts after this, that you found the x point, but now y point if you find. So you will have to do x cube minus 12x square plus 47x minus 60. Now if you substitute this, like at x equal to 4 minus 1 by root 3, you will end up having humongous calculations. Now, why are they humongous? 4 minus 1 by root 3 whole cube is not straightforward. It's not like 4 cube minus 1 by root 3 whole cube. No. It is 4 minus 1 by root 3 whole cube means 4 minus 1 by root 3 into 4 minus 1 by root 3 into 4 minus 1 by root 3. And then you multiply these two guys. 16 minus 16 by root, sorry, minus 4 by root 3. Minus 4 by root 3 plus 1 by 3. right? So 16 plus 1 by 3 is 49 by 3 minus 8 by root 3. And then again multiply by 4 minus 1 by root 3. You get the point that when I say humongous calculations, this is just the first guy. Then similarly doing 12x square and all will be challenging, right? So this is where comes the second technique. I taught you first technique to plot cubic graphs, which was with y intersection point and turning points. Now this particular graph is one which you are running into problems using that technique. Like you can still solve it, but it is very long. However, if you learn to factorize the cubics, which is not easy in every case, but in some cases it is easy.
Rather than cubic identities.
Cubic identities are there, but they are not useful in factorizing a cubic, unfortunately, Bhavya. Not very useful, I mean.
Then what do we do?
So what do you do here? The idea is that look at it carefully. It is something x minus a, x minus b, x minus c. Let's say this factorizes to this, okay? Notice something. How will the 60 come? 60 is a number. It comes when you have a product of constants minus ABC. Okay. So that's how that 60 comes. So what you do is you pray. Yeah. You pray that factors of 60, if you do it, you do factors of 60 and then pray. So what are factors of 60? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 8 is not. Okay, like that, okay? Similarly, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Now what you do is you try. You check if 1 is satisfying this. And pray that it satisfies. Unfortunately, in this case, the prayer won't get answered. Or maybe it will. No, it won't. Okay, 1 fails. It is, when I say satisfies means, is it becoming 0 or not? It's not becoming 0 in this case. It's becoming minus 24. So then do minus 1. Minus 1 whole cube is minus 1 only. Minus 12 into minus 1 whole square. Then minus 1 whole cube, minus 12 into minus 1, plus 47 into minus 1, minus 60. So you get minus 1 whole square is plus 1. So minus 12, minus 47, minus 60. All minuses won't make it. So unfortunately, prayers are not getting answered. Try with 2. 2 cube minus 12 into 2 square plus 47 into 2 minus 60, which is 8 minus 48 plus 94 minus 60. Is it getting answered, the prayer? No, I don't think so. Okay, it's not coming 0. Minus 6, so prayer not answered. Minus 2 also it will not get answered, I'm telling you. Okay. But luckily, if you do y equal to 3, check.
What if the number
Sorry.
is huge?
No, so that is where you have to pray that in first few tries you get.
So what about number like 470?
3 cube minus 12 into 3 square plus 47 into 3
So this
minus.
is more confusing.
Can't help, you will have to learn it, Tanish. So this is 0.
Yes.
So now, but now basically once your prayers are answered, now it becomes easy after that. One prayer just, that's it.
Sir, I thought you have to go on praying.
No, you don't have to go on praying. Once your one prayer is answered, after that, you can do something.
So life is all set.
Hmm?
So life gets all set.
Yeah, that's the illusion people have. Life is all set. Life is never
The
set.
question gets answered. The
Yeah.
question gets answered.
So once the question gets answered,
Okay, so now what did you identify? X equal to 3 works. Okay,
So now we need the others.
listen, others are not hard to find, Bhavya. Once you get one, try to understand what does this mean. That x equal to 3 is making it 0, right?
X minus 3.
That means x cube minus 12x square plus 47x minus 60 is definitely x minus 3 into something. Why? Because x minus 3 into something may, if you put x as 3, then this guy is becoming 0. Since x equal to 3 is making this guy as 0, means this guy is x minus 3 into something. Okay,
so can't that something be anything?
now you can find that something.
Sir, I didn't understand.
See, Anish. Look at this. Look at this guy. If you substitute x equal to 3, will this whole guy become 0?
Yes, sir.
And you also know that in this guy, you are putting x equal to 3, then this guy is also becoming 0. Yes or no?
Sir, the whole equation in all places of x, if we put 3.
No, I'm saying here, if you put x equal to 3, this guy is becoming 0 or no? If you substitute x equal to 3, we just figured out, right, that this is becoming 0.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And even this guy is becoming 0 at x equal to 3.
Yes, sir.
That means these two are
Equal.
equal, right?
Oh. Okay, sir. I got it.
So this guy can be written as x minus 3 into something. That means something is equal to minus 12x square plus 47x minus 60 upon x minus 3. Now, do you know how to divide this? Never learned? At school, not
Sir,
yet learned?
take out x minus 3 common.
If you have not learned division, then I won't teach you division. I will teach you multiplication. So then we will not find something by division. We will find something by. So x minus 3 multiplied by something should become this. Yes or no? So x minus 3. Just focus on x cube. Okay. What do you multiply x minus 3 by? I'm just writing it little up. That you get x cube. If you multiply by x square. Yes or no? So if you do that, you get x cube minus 3x square. Yes or no? Is that what you wanted to achieve? No. You want to achieve a lot more than that. But now, again, if you multiply x minus 3 by something, you want x cube minus 3x square to convert into x cube minus 12x square. Right? So how many x square do you need extra?
So 9.
Minus 9x. So if you multiply this by minus 9x, you will get that minus 9x square extra. But, okay, Myra, don't worry. Myra, see, we want x cube minus 12x square or no? So far, by multiplying x cube by x minus 3 by x square, I've only achieved x cube minus 3x square. How many x squares I want? Minus 12. So how many x squares I am short of? Minus 9. Because minus 3x square minus 9x square, if I do, then only I get minus 12, right? So I'm short by minus 9x square. How do I get minus 9x square? If I multiply x minus 3 by, so I get minus 9x square. But with that, I get something free as well, minus 9x plus 2 minus 3 is So far this guy was desired, this much is desired because x cube minus 12x square. This guy is not desired.
Sir, do
I desire it to become 47x rather than 20. So then what do I do? How much, Shamla, how much I am short by now? I want 47x, I'm getting 27x. So how much more I want? 20. So if I multiply this by 20, I will get plus 20x and I will get minus 63. But luckily, minus 60, I need it.
So what if it doesn't match?
Yes or no? It will match. It has to match. It's its destiny.
So what if it doesn't?
If it doesn't, that means it is not divisible by x minus 3. But we have already validated it is divisible by x minus 3.
So what? Okay.
See, 3 into something is 4. Sorry, 3 into something is 12. Is there a guarantee that something will match or no? Something will be a natural number or no? Why is there a guarantee? Because 3 is divisible by, 12 is divisible by 3. So since this guy is divisible by this guy, something has to work out.
And so what if we get a huge number with some big factor that's like
Later, Bhavya. Okay, now you understood this. So what you realize is that x minus 3 multiplied by x square minus 9x multiplied by x minus 3 plus 20 multiplied by x minus 3 is equal to this whole guy, x cube minus 12x square plus 47x minus 60. Yes or no? Now here, what can you take common in these three terms? Take it common. What is the leftover term here? What is the leftover term here? What is the leftover? Plus 20 equal to that thing, x cube minus 12x square plus 47x minus 60. Now this guy you know how to factorize. X square minus 9x plus 20 is factorizable. It comes x minus 4 into x minus 5. That's how you factorized. Okay. Now remember, this was the curve. Yes or no? Now can this be said y equal to x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5? Now you can find at y equal to 0. X minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5 equal to 0. So x equal to 3 or 5. So you get these points 3, 0, 4, 0 on the graph, right? And you already had a y point. See, y point you had at the beginning itself. You already had with 0, minus 60, right? So you have these points. Now I'm coming to that, Myra. Your question is valid, okay? And then we found 3, 0, 4, 0. So I plot just these points, Myra, okay? You will magically get the turning points now. See how. See the magic of graphs. 0, minus 60. Then 3, 0 lies here. 4, 0 lies here. 5, 0 lies here. Now forget about the turning points, start just plotting. It will be something like this. Now think of it, if it has to cut again 4, 0, it will have to turn. So one turning point, you don't know the exact value, but you do know it lies between 3 and 4. So you can still plot the graph. Now it keeps going down, down, down. If it keeps going down, will it ever cut 5, 0? So it needs to turn again. So that's where your second turning point is there. You are able to draw. You are not able to find but you are able to. Now it does not need to cut anything else on x-axis. It just keeps going. This side also it keeps going. That's the graph. So you are able to plot the graph without finding turning points as well.
What if we need the turning points?
Huh?
If you need the turning
If you need the turning points, then you know how to calculate. It's just that here also we could have calculated. It's just that it's huge calculation. No, that I am there for that.
You will answer that.
Sir, is there an easier method?
Unfortunately not, Anish.
So what?
Sir,
Nehal, are you? Nehal, what?
sir, I'm listening.
Sir is sleeping with the AC remote beside him.
Do one thing. I will give you only two problems of factorizing a cubic. So if you are not able to like recall, just you have the recording, watch the recording, revisit and try. I will not give much homework, just as I told you, two problems of factorizing the cubic.
Sir, what if the turning points